Homeownership comes with many questions and challenges. And once the hot or cold season comes around, you'll be thinking about the best ways to keep your home and family comfortable. Enercare's qualified and experienced energy management consultants, or EMCs, are here to take some of the guesswork out of your home comfort needs. Consider these 3 tips before deciding whether to rent or purchase a new furnace or air conditioner. Choose your provider wisely. Enercare's trusted EMCs are committed to finding the best system for your household, beginning with a comprehensive evaluation of your home. An AC and furnace unit is an investment in your home and health that you want to ensure is protected. Enercare's rental plan gives you peace of mind with full coverage on parts and labor for the useful life of the equipment, so you don't have to worry about upfront payment, ongoing maintenance costs, expensive repairs, or equipment breakdowns. We also give you the option to purchase your unit with a variety of warranty and maintenance options that include parts and labor coverage during the warranty period. Whether you buy or rent, we're committed to finding a payment option that suits your needs. If you're looking for a comfortable plan to fit within your budget, renting your equipment can cost as low as $44.50 a month for an air conditioner and as low as $49.50 a month for a furnace. If you choose to purchase your heating or cooling equipment, make sure you budget for somewhere between $4,000 and $9,000 for each unit. Remember, some jobs are better left for the pros. Our licensed and insured installers will complete the installation while respecting your time, your home, and property. Stay comfortable this season, knowing you're in good hands with Enercare Home Services. To learn more about renting and purchasing options with Enercare, visit www.enercare.ca.